We're at Austin Lee's house and we're going to Northern Speed show. It's Northern Contemporary, Northern Speed Automotive Winter Car Show. Northern
Performance?
Northern Performance Car Show.
All the great names.
We're going to this Northern show.
What? Yeah. There's a medal? What? You're gonna post this and people are gonna cry. This car's so good.
Here we are at Drift Jam.
Immaculate rhyme.
I don't know, man. I just showed up and now I have a car. Now you have a 370Z, bro. Even a 350.
You're
part of the music, bro. You got a sick daily, dude. What does it do?
Hey, yo.
Liam, what do you think, man? It smells new. Sick.